Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to round off a number to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. At the end of the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share and leave a thumbs up in the comment section. So let's understand how to round off the numbers. Now for example, if I write down a number 12,357. Now when we say we have to find out to the nearest tens, that means I have to take the tens place, which is 5, and total number here is 57, which we have to round off. Now 57 is close to 60 or is it close to 50? So you can see 57 is close to 60. That means if I have to round it off to the nearest tens, I will write down 12,360. Similarly, if I have to round off to the nearest hundreds, so for that I have to see the hundred place. So 12,357. So in the hundred place we have 3, and if I will see all the digits till hundred place, so it is 357. Now we have to see that 357 is close to 400 or is it close to 300? So you can see that this number is close to 400. So in place of 357, we'll write down 400. That means 12,400 is the answer if I have to round off this number to the nearest hundreds. Similarly, we'll see for thousands. Now, in case of a thousands place, we have 2 here. And if I will see all the digits till thousands, it is 2,357. Now we have to see, is it close to 3,000 or is it close to 2,000? So if you will see, this number is closer to 2,000, not 3,000. That means I will write on here 12,000. Similarly, if I have to round off to the nearest 10,000s, so I will see the digit which is in 10,000 place. So that is 1. And if I have to see all the digits along with it, so they are 12,357. So I have to see, is it close to 12,000 or is it close to 13,000? So if you will see, this number is close to 12,000. That means if I have to round it off, it will be equals to 12,000. Now let's take another example. 199,999. Suppose this is the example and I have to round off to the nearest tens place. Now, when I have to round off to the nearest tens place, I will see this number 9 and along with it, I will see here the next digit to it, which is 9. So 99. So we have to see 99 is close to 90 or is it close to 100? So 99 is close to 100. Now, if I have to write down 100 here, so I will write down in place of this 100. But this 1, I just need to add to this 9. So I will add it up here. I will write down here 0, 0. Then 9 plus 1, 10. 1 is a carryover, 10. 1 is a carryover, 10. 1 is a carryover, 2. So we will get here 200,000. So this step is very, very important here. Similarly, if I have to round off to the nearest hundreds place. So in the hundred place, we have 9. And if I will consider all the digits along with it, they are 999. So if I have to write down this number in terms of close to, so this number is close to either 1000 or it is close to 900. So we have to see it is close to which number? It is close to 1000. So I will write on here 1000. So this 1 I have to add with this 9. So we'll write down 0, 0, 0, 9 plus 1, 10, then 1 as a carryover, again 10, 1 as a carryover. So we'll get here 200,000. Similarly, if I have to round off to the nearest thousands, then I have to see the thousand place. And in the thousand place also, I have 9. So if I will consider all the digits along with it, it is 9,999. So this number is close to 9,000 or this number is close to 10,000. So if you will see, this number is close to 10,000. So I will write on here 0,0,0,0,1. Now this 1 I just need to add with this 9. So I'll get here 0,0,0,0, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 as a carryover, 2. So I'll get here again 200,000. Similarly, if I have to do it for 10,000s place. So in the 10,000s place, you can see we have 9 again. So we will take all the digits along with it. It is 99,999. So is it close to 90,000 or is it close to 100,000? So you will see it is close to 100,000. So I will write down here 0,0,0, comma 0,0,1. I will add here this 1 along with 1 and the rest will be zeros. So again I will get here 200,000. Similarly, if I have to do it for 100,000s, so I will write down the same number here 199,999. So if I'll see, this is 1. And if I will take all the digits along with it, it is 199,999. So it is close to 200,000 or it can be close to 100,000. So it is close to 200,000. So here we will just simply write down 200,000. So you will see in this question, I have started with the number and all the tens values, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000s, when I will round it off, it will give me the same answer. I hope you understand this. So for such helpful videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.